How to update your payment method on Shein. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Now let us begin. First, open up your Shein app. After you open it up, what you'll then need to do is you'll just need to go ahead and shop. So let us go to this page right here. This is the starting page of Shein. Here you can just scroll ahead and find whatever you want to buy. So just browse through this and open whatever you want to buy. So after you find what you want to buy, then you will need to add it to your cart. After you've added to your cart, just go ahead and tap on the checkout section. Now under checkout section, you can select what you want to buy and what you do not want to buy. So after you do that, just go ahead and tap on checkout. After you're done with checkout, scroll down and there you will see payment method. Now here you can update your payment method by just tapping on one. Just tap on one, select one, and then after you've selected the one that you want, you can tap on place order, and all you need to do is add in your credit card number or any card number or your CVV number and your expiration date. After you've done all that, you will be able to update your payment method and buy using that. And that is basically it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to hit the